Good morning, students. Yesterday we have completed exercise 2.3. Let's start today new exercise 2.4. It is based on division of two fractions. This full exercise is based on division of two fractions. First question is find first part 12 is divided by 3 by 4. To solve division sign we use multiply and reciprocal method. जब भी हमें डिवीज़न साइन को सॉल्व करना होता है तब हम मल्टीप्लिकेशन और रेसिप्रोकल मेथड करते हैं. कैसे? 12 इज़ डिवाइडेड बाय 1. आई विल मेक दिस नंबर एज अ होल फ्रैक्शन. 12 इज़ डिवाइडेड बाय 1 डिवाइडेड बाय 3 by 4. हाउ आई विल सॉल्व दिस division? Look carefully. 12 multiply by 4 by 3. Students, look at the statement please. Here 3 by 4 and division sum was there. I will change this division sign into multiplication and I will do reciprocal of this number which is after डिवीज़न साइन. हम क्या करेंगे? डिवीज़न साइन को मल्टीप्लाई साइन में कन्वर्ट करेंगे और जो डिवीज़न साइन के बाद फ्रैक्शन है उसका रेसिप्रोकल कर देंगे. फॉर एग्जांपल 3 by 4 का रेसिप्रोकल हो जाएगा 4 by 3. अब हो जाएगा 12 मल्टीप्लाई बाय, बिकॉज डिवीज़न साइन का मल्टीप्लाई हो गया और 3 by 4 का रेसिप्रोकल हो गया, वो 4 by 3 हो गया. 3 इज आई विल कट 3 1 जा 3, 3 4 जा 12, 4 4 जा 16 is answer of first part. Second part is 14 is divided by 5 by 6. I will write 14 by 1 divided by 5 by 6. Again to solve this divides sign I will do multiply and reciprocal. 14 by 1 multiply by 5 by 6 का reciprocal हो गया 6 by 5. 6 by 5 there is nothing to cut in this statement, so we will multiply numerator by numerator and denominator by denominator. 84 by 5 I will convert into mixed fraction because it is an improper fraction. Third part is 8 is divided by 7 by 3. I will write 8 by 1 divide sign 7 by 3. I will solve this divide sign by multiply and reciprocal. बस आपको यही याद रखना है, जब आपके पास दो फ्रैक्शंस के बीच में डिवाइड का साइन आएगा तो हम उसे मल्टीप्लाई और रेसिप्रोकल से सॉल्व करेंगे. 8 by 1 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 7 by 3 का रेसिप्रोकल 3 by 7. देर इज़ नथिंग टू कट इन दिस स्टेटमेंट ऑल्सो. आई विल मल्टीप्लाई 3 8 जा 24, 7 1 जा 7. I will convert this improper fraction into mixed fraction. 3 and 3 by 7 is answer. Fourth part is 4 is divided by 8 by 3. I will write 4 by 1 divided by 8 by 3. I will solve this divide sign by multiply and reciprocal. पहले डिवाइड की जगह मैंने मल्टीप्लाई यूज़ किया और रेसिप्रोकल 8 by 3 का रेसिप्रोकल 3 by 8. 4 1 जा 4, 4 2 जा 8, 3 by 2 is left. 3 by 2 I will convert 3 by 2 as mixed fraction. 1 and 1 by 2 is answer. Fifth part 3 is divided by 2 and 1 by 3. This is mixed fraction. I will solve this first. 3 by 1 divided sign 3 to the 6 or 1 7 by 3. Again I will solve this divide sum sign by multiply and reciprocal. मल्टीप्लाई रेसिप्रोकल हमेशा उसका होता है बच्चों जो डिवाइड साइन के बाद नंबर आता है. पहले वाले साइन नंबर का कभी भी रेसिप्रोकल नहीं होता. जो डिवाइड साइन के बाद का नंबर होता है हमेशा रेसिप्रोकल उसका करते हैं. मल्टीप्लाई बाय 3 by 7. 3 3 जा 9, 7 1 जा 7. आई विल कन्वर्ट this improper fraction into mixed fraction. 1 and 2 by 7 is answer. Fifth part 5 is divided by 3 and 4 by 7. I will write 5 by 1 divide sign. I will solve this mixed fraction. 7 3 are 21 plus 4 25 by 7. Now to solve this divide sign multiply and reciprocal. 7 by 21 25, 5 1 are 5, 5 5 are 25, 7 by 5 is left. I will convert this improper fraction into mixed fraction. 1 and 2 by 5. This is first question done. Second question is find the reciprocal and classify the reciprocals as proper fractions, improper fractions and whole numbers. Students, these statements are given. You have to convert these fractions into reciprocals and then you classify whether they are proper fraction or improper fraction or whole numbers. For example 3 by 7. 3 by 7 का reciprocal 7 by 3. 7 by 3 is improper fraction because numerator is greater and denominator is smaller. It means it is improper fraction. Second part is 5 by 8. I will reciprocal this number, fractional number. Reciprocal is 8 by 5. Students, 8 by 5, 8 numerator is greater than against denominator. It means improper fraction. 9 by 7, third part. 9 by 7, reciprocal is 7 by 9. Now numerator is less than denominator, so it is a proper fraction. 6 by 5. 6 by 5, reciprocal of 6 by 5 is 5 by 6. 5 is numerator and 6 is denominator. 5 is less than 6, that is proper fraction. Fifth part is 12 by 7 and sixth part is 1 by 8. This is homework. You will do this the two sums yourselves. Seventh question I will explain because these two sums are same. I will explain this. You will able to understand this. 1 by 11. I will do reciprocal of 1 by 11, that is 11 by 1. Students, 11 by 1 means 11. That is a whole number. Again, the answer of 1 by 8 is same. The method of these two questions are same. That's why I have given this homework. Question 2 is completed.